Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Bino James. Many students often complain that they don't get time during their exams. Today I am here with a solution for it. See how to multiply two numbers very easily. Today I am going to explain how to multiply two numbers in seconds. I have written here a few numbers, two-digit numbers mainly. 33 into 37, 54 into 56, 81 into 89, and you have to keep in mind these are special types of numbers. What is special with these numbers? See here, 33 into 37, here tens digit must be same. First condition, tens digits are same. And as 3 plus 7 10, that is sum of the second condition is this, sum of units digits is 10. This type of multiplication is possible only when these two conditions are satisfied. 32 into 37. See, to do this type of multiplication, what we do is this. First you have to multiply the units digit. Multiply the ones digit or units digit. 3 into 7, 21. That will be the last two digits in the answer. And to get the first digit, what we have to do? Take the tens digit here. Tens digit is 3. And 3 multiply with the next number. What is the next number after 3? 4. So you multiply 3 with the 4. 3 into 4 is 12. So the answer is 1221. Very easily we can get in seconds. Next number, 4 into 6. Okay, first you have to check that whether the conditions are correct or not. See here, tens digit are same and the sum of the units digit is 10. So for doing this problem also we can apply the same method. What you have to do? As I said here, multiply the units digit first. 4 into 6, 24 will be the last two digit of the answer. Again, 5 multiply with the next number. 5 next number is 6. 5 into 6 is 30. So the answer is 3024. It is very easy. Next here, see here, 9. 1 into 9. For multiplying 81 with 89. Multiply the units digit. 1 into 9 is 9. Here we don't get two digits. So what should you do? You have to put a 0 here before 9. Then continue. Then what you have to do? 8. What is the next number? After 8? 9. 8 into 9 is 72. So the answer is 7209. Same trick we can apply for doing 117 into 113. Here, even though both are 3-digit numbers, first two digits are same only. So the same trick can be applied in this case also. What do you have to do? 7 into 3, 21, 11. Multiply with the next number. What is next number? 12. 11 into 12 is 132. So the answer is 13,221. Is it very easy? Yes. You can try other numbers also whether this trick gets correct or not. With this trick we can multiply such a type of numbers. Okay, now we are going to explain another type of multiplication. Type 2. See this multiplication, 86 into 26, 39 into 79, 63 into 43. Here also we can apply the trick. We can apply this trick if these two conditions are satisfied. First condition that units digits must be same. Units digit should be same. Second condition is that sum of the tens digit should be 10. Sum of tens digit must be 10. So we can multiply numbers which satisfy these two conditions very easily using the trick what I am going to explain. What you have to do is that you have to multiply the units digit first. 6 into 6, 36. That will be the last two digits of the answer. Now you have to multiply the tens digit. 8 into 2, 16. Don't write 16 here. You have to add the units digit with that product. That will be the first two digits of the answer. Once again I explain. Multiply the tens digit. 8 into 2, 16. With that you have to add the units digit 6. So 22 will be the answer. Let us do another problem. 39 into 79. Multiply the units digit to get the last two digit of the answer. 9 into 9 is 81. To get the first two digits, what you have to do? Multiply the tens digit and add units digit with that product. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 plus units digit 9. 21 plus 9 is 30. So the answer is 3081. And the last problem, 63 into 43. Multiply the units digit first. 3 into 3, 9. We have only one digit. So you have to put 0 before it to get last two digit of the answer. Then multiply the tens digit. 6 into 4, 24. With that add the units digit. 24 plus 3, 27. Hope that you understood the trick and it will help you for easy multiplication. All of you subscribe my channel for further classes. Also click the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you. See you in next class.